Hey, what's up, you happy people? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna share with you a hibachi stir-fried noodles. Mindful cooking, healthy eating. Let's get started cooking. Start with the volcano onion. Briefly fry the onion on the griddle. Add some greens on the onion and keep frying. Add some soy sauce and the cooking wine to the veggie. Add cooked noodles to the veggie and keep frying. Add some oil on the griddle and fry some garlic and ginger. Add salt, chicken bone, and sugar to the noodle. Some dark soy sauce to add color. A little vinegar at this time. Finally, add some seasoned oil to improve flavor and appearance. This is the hibachi style fried noodle I'm talking about. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and be sure to subscribe my channel. Your support is very important to me. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.